Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can share our NGL link on Instagram. So for that, copy your link and then click on share on the next step. Click on next, and then click on share on Instagram. And when Instagram opens up, and then click on this icon of emoji on top, then this screen will appear, and here select this option of link. Then copy paste your link here and click on done. Then resize it, and after that just click on your story or add to your story. And that's how easy it is to share your NGL link on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.